I'm showing today a house in Kanata North. The house is 3 bedroom and 2 bathrooms. The entrance is not very spacious, but it is a lot of upgrades and a lot of nice renovations been made in the house. Basement finished with the laminate flooring. It looks like it's a lot of inventory right now in Canada, under $600,000, and it's very affordable. The house is presented very well. If you have any questions about buying the house in Canada, you can call me at this phone number. I'll be Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert.